Our beautiful and bold American flag, standing for exceptional greatness, our great ideals, proposition that all men are created equal, life, liberty, pursuit of happiness, courage to fight for equality, our freedom of speech, coming to terms on the separation of church and state. We must continue to nurture these ideas and continue to grow. We must not allow ourselves to forget the exceptional greatness these ideals represent. We must continue to forge into the potential these mighty ideals and the future that they can bring to this nation.